The Roller Electric Furnace for Italian customers, customized. We are manufacturers of industrial electric furnaces in China, supplying products to various countries around the world. We specialize in producing industrial electric furnaces of different specifications, which can, according to customer requirements, customized models, sizes, and temperatures. Our products are highly energy efficient, with rapid heating and cooling, uniform temperature distribution, advanced temperature control, high temperature usage, long lifespan, and easy loading and unloading. Our products are widely applied in testing and production in fields such as refractory materials, electronics, ceramics, metallurgy, machinery, construction materials, special materials, and new materials development. We will provide the best recommendations regarding relevant product areas, required furnace dimensions, optimal operation, temperatures, etc., based on your needs. If you have any requirements, please feel free to contact us.